Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. The wait is over. Yes, it's time to pack away the cream, the bone, the white, and even the ivory. The box, the pads, they go into the cupboard because it's sayonara to summer, and attention turns from whether Rob Nicoll is suitable as an opener or Jesse Ryder's latest indiscretions to the suburban club rugby grounds of New Zealand. We're here at the College Rifles Rugby Park in Remuera, Auckland, the ground affectionately known as the Rubber Dome, for round one action of the Alan McAvoy Memorial Trophy. And season 2012 has brought some big changes for the College Rifles Premiers. Out's gone Charlie Rickelman, the head coach, and he's been replaced by Simon Fifield and Johnny Hope. Big expectations on the team, and hopefully we'll get a chance to talk to Simon Fifield before the teams run on. But they've got a strong squad and they've had some pretty positive results in the lead up to the first competition game. So fortunate enough to grab new head coach Simon Fifield for a couple of words before this first encounter for the Prems team. Fifey, how are the boys looking?
Very good, very good. They're very excited about the first game. Looking good.
And as a first-time coach, how about yourself? A few nerves?
I'm probably more nervous than they are, but I'm pretty confident.
And how's the pre-season gone for the boys?
Very well. We've trained and trialled about 60 guys for the Prems team, and we've come up with a pretty good team, and we're lucky to have about 90% of the last year's team back again, so looking good.
Of course, these two sides met twice last year and the results were split one apiece. Have you talked about the tactics that were employed last season and whether or not that is again the way to go this season?
Yeah, very briefly. We won't be playing it like we played the second game, obviously, when we lost. But we've talked about that first game and how we beat them on their track. So yeah, we'll implement some of those things.
Awesome. All right, mate. Well, all the best.
Cream level, or is that paid as?
kicker. So halftime here in the College Rifles versus University game, 15-7. With us is the Supremo of College Rifles, Derek Rope. This is the new pavilion behind us. Tell us, when's it opening? What's the objectives of building on the side of the hill here?
Oh, just for a long time, Stu, the clubs have been wanting somewhere to view the games in comfort. Unfortunately, when the club burned down in 73, 74, they had to build it back on the same footprint as they had before, so they couldn't get close to the ground. So with the growing numbers of members we've got and the multi-use of the fields, it made sense to put a pavilion as close to the field as we could, and can be used as a multi-function pavilion. It'll be open at 6 in the morning till 4 in the afternoon, serving coffees and teas and breakfast, whatever. And hopefully, as time goes, we'll get a limited liquor licence on it so we can have a beer watching the game. But yeah, it's for everybody, it's for the whole community, really.
Today's skipper Stu Bell, disappointing result, mate, but it seemed like from the sideline it was the 2 tries either side of half time that killed you.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, particularly that one straight after half time. After we'd talked at half time about applying the pressure on them, they just put it straight onto us, and that was a turning point. But we didn't help ourselves today. Shitloads of mistakes, unforced errors. So we were our own worst enemy out there today, I thought.
So with us, Gareth Marsden, the problem solver. He's one of the fans' favourites. Good solid game from him today in fullback jersey, but overall wasn't the result you're looking for.
No, definitely not. We put it all out there. Definitely, there's about 10-minute lapse where they got those 2 quick tries just before half time and after half time. Yeah, it's a bit hard to come back from that. So put in the good hard yards.
Of course, you almost charged down one of the conversions there. We got a little bit obstructed, but there seemed to be a bit of contact with the kicker.
Yeah, as I came down, my foot landed on his head and he started crying, but it's part of the game, I guess.
Yourself, you've got a little bit of blood around the mouth, and I see down here on the foot as well. Tough game out there.
Yeah, I think I need new boots after that. This ground's a bit hard on them.
Over at the off-season, mate, we've been receiving plenty of emails from the fans of College Rifles TV, and there seems to be a lot of interest from young women who really want to know the answer to the question, is Gareth Marsden the problem solver? Is he single?
No, he is not. He's taken.
Another one of the fans' favourites, Aussie. 2 of the more memorable moments of the game today. There was the heart of a rolling maul for a try there, and then also towards the end, pretty interesting kick. Do you want to talk us through both first of all the try and then the kick?
Well, first of all, the try wasn't me. The try was busy, but I was right next to him, so I'm going to claim it. Yeah, mate, we wanted to play them tight today, and we didn't get there, and we fucking didn't have enough ball, I don't think. And but when we did have it, we did that, and if we had done that all game, we would have scored a try. Maybe I would have got one. And the kick, I don't know, spur of the moment, mate. I was fucking on the wing, and I should stop swearing, shouldn't I? I was on the wing, and the ball came to me, and I just wanted to get rid of it. I wanted to put it out, but it came off the side of the boot. So I'll keep that one. That's my one for the year.
80 minutes in the front row, starting off on the tight head side, moving to the loose head side. They had some big boys out there.
Yeah, mate, they were pretty well drilled too. Good scrummagers, and I think we sort of matched it. There was a couple of times near the end there where we actually were getting the ball back. We just weren't getting it clear, which puts a hell of a lot of pressure on the boys at the front when you were trying to hook it back after it's bounced back to your feet. So I think we've got to work on that on Tuesday as well.
Good stuff, mate. All right, we'll get up to the club. You deserve a beer.
Cheers, mate. Thank you.
So there we have it, 22-12 to University over College Rifles. Plenty of work-ons for the boys, and you can be sure that coaches Simon Fifield and Johnny Hope will have them working hard on Tuesday. But from all of us here at College Rifles TV, the Rubber Dome, we'll see you next week.